In this video, I will tell you that how to clear saved chats on Snapchat. So if you have saved a chat on Snapchat and if you want to clear them out, or let's suppose that you want to delete any uh, conversation in your Snapchat, then how you can do this? First of all, you need to open up your Snapchat here. Then you will go into the messages here, and then what you will basically do here is that you will tap on your profile image at the top left here, then tap on the gear icon at the top right, and if you scroll down here, if you scroll down here, here you will see that clear conversation. Okay, so now it shows all the conversations you have. Okay, so if you want to clear this team Snapchat, you will just tap on this option here, and here it says clear. Tap on the clear and this conversation will be cleared. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.